So to start off with, you want to duplicate the layer of the object you want to add glow to. So once you have done that, just create alpha lock and then just fill it in with the desaturated version of the color that you want to use. So I am using a light blue or sky blue kind of color and a desaturated version of it. Now what you want to do is just to release the alpha lock and then just add Gaussian blur to the colored version of the shape that you're adding glow to. Now once you have done that, you would just change the layer mode to color dodge. You can keep it to normal, but I am changing it to color dodge. Now I'm just moving the glow just a little bit upwards like that. Now what you want to do is now you want to duplicate the object one more time and just place it at the bottom, and then now just fill it in with a saturated bright version of the color that you are using, and then just fill it in with that. And now you just want to add Gaussian blur to it again like that, as I'm doing in the video. And now you can again change the layer mode to either color dodge or a linear light. I'm choosing linear light right here because it looks good. Now you want to create a new layer and select a white color and light pen from luminous brush set. And if your software doesn't have those brushes, you can always use a regular brush and just decrease the size of it and use a white color. Now what I'm basically doing is I'm just going over the object, focusing on the center part of the object like that, and I'm just creating few more dots here and there. Once you're happy with that, just add Gaussian blur to that as well. Now this next step is completely optional. So what I'm doing here is I'm creating a new layer and I'm selecting again the desaturated version of the blue, and I'm just creating random lines around my object, and I'm using light pen from luminous brush set. Again, if you don't have that, you can always use any other brush from your software. Now I'm just changing the brush to light brush from luminous brush set, and again using the same color, and I'm just gonna add a few more lines, thick lines this time, here and there around my object, just to, you know, make it pop a little bit more. But again, you don't really have to do this, you are done. Now let's look at another method. So let's just suppose this is your object. What you want to do here is you want to create duplicate copies of your object 4 times, and then just create alpha lock on each layer. So once you're done with that, just choose your base color, as there's going to be a color sequence for each one of them. So the first layer is going to be white, the second one is going to be a really light version of your base color, and then the third one is going to be the desaturated version of your color, the color that you chose. And the last one is going to be a really saturated and a bright version of the color. Now what you want to do is you want to increase the size of the object which is at the bottom, and then you have to go in descending order until you reach the layer, the top layer, which is white in color, and you don't really have to increase the size of the top layer. I hope that makes sense. Now once you are done with that, what you want to do is you want to add Gaussian blur to each one of them except for the top layer, the layer which is in white color. Now you can change the layer mode to color dodge or linear light, or you can keep it to normal. They all look good. So it's up to you which one do you like. So that's it for the second method as well. Both the methods are somewhat similar, but just let me know which one do you like down in the comment section. And I really hope you guys enjoyed this quick tutorial on how to create glow or how to add lighting to your drawings. And if you did, please do not forget to give this video a big thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel.